Hello everybody and welcome back. Okay, so fish fingers, mashed potato and egg. My dad used to make this for us as kids and I still love it to this day. Kids love it, absolutely love it. So you'd whack your fish fingers in the oven, you'd make up a pot of mash and you'd fry up some eggs. Alright, you've got lemon and pepper is optional. So I'm going to do adult size. For kids ones I normally just do 4 fish fingers. And adults I do 8. So whack your fish fingers on. Squeeze a lemon. Whack your next lot on. Squeeze your lemon. Mate. Absolutely yummy, and it's really easy. If you hardly got anything, I'll tell you what, this spices it up. If kids like fish fingers, they absolutely love this. Alright, mashed potato on top. Egg on top of that. So I'll do 2 eggs for adults and usually 1 egg for kids. 2 eggs on there, bit of salt, bit of pepper, and there you have it, fish fingers, mashed potato and egg on toast. Catch us next time.